How to find out the equilibrium level of income from the IS and LM model? The question is given the IS equation is 1850 minus 100 R, where R is the rate of interest, and LM equation is 100 plus 200 R. We need to find out the equilibrium level of income. Okay, so for equilibrium level of income, what happens? Our IS, which shows us the goods market equilibrium. So it shows us goods market equilibrium. It should be equal to the LM, which shows us the money market equilibrium. Okay, so we are being given the IS equation. This is our IS equation. If I show it here, so we have the GDP on the horizontal axis, or income, and rate of interest on the vertical axis. We have the downward sloping IS equation. So it is like this. This is our IS equation. So this is our IS equation. It shows us different combinations of rate of interest and level of GDP where our goods market is in equilibrium. Okay, then we have the LM equation. So you can see here LM equation, it is upward sloping, and we have again the rate of interest. So here it is Y, also here it is Y. So it shows us the relationship between income and rate of interest, and here it is positive relation. Why? Because we have the positive relationship between income and rate of interest, because the coefficient of interest rate is positive. So it will be upward sloping like this. Okay, this is our LM, this is our IS. Okay, now where will the equilibrium occur? It will occur at a point where IS is equal to LM. Okay, so we have IS equation is 1850 minus 100 R. It should be equal to LM, which is 1000 plus 200 R. Okay, transpose this R here and this here. So we have 1850 minus 1000 is equal to 200 R plus 100 R. So we will get 850 is equal to 300 R. R will be equal to 850 divided by 300, or it will be 85 divided by 30 here, obviously. Okay, this is our rate of interest. Now to find out the equilibrium level of income, plug rate of interest is this step into either IS or LM equation. Let us put it in the LM equation. That means our equilibrium level of income will be 1000 plus 200 times R. R is this very step, that is 85 divided by 30. So 0 and 0 gets cancelled. We are left with 1000 plus, so we have first 0 here. So when we solve this, it will come out to be, I don't have the time and the space here, so it will come out to be 1567, or approximately it will be our what we call the equilibrium level. Okay, so we know that if we got this as the equilibrium level of income, so the intersection point of IS and LM will be reflected by this very value, that is 1567, and corresponding the equilibrium level of interest was 85 upon 30. Okay, I hope I make myself clear in this video and you find out this video helpful. Thank you.